Hello children, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we will start with the first chapter in science, that is natural resources.
Do you know what are natural resources? Well, natural resources are the resources which are readily available in the nature. Air, water, and land are the most important natural resources. All life on earth is dependent on air, water, and land. Air, water, and land are called the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. Atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere are the three spheres of the Earth, and all living things and the part of the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere which they occupy together are called the biosphere. Now, atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth, and the surface of earth is made up of water and land, that is hydrosphere and lithosphere, and the proportion of water and land is 71% to 29%. From all these three spheres, we get various natural components, which are in solid, liquid, and gaseous form, which are called as resources. And as we get it from the nature, these components are called natural resources. So, children, now if I ask you what are natural resources or define natural resources, can you tell? Well, go through your textbook and try to find the answer.
So now children, we will study about air, water and land separately. Let us first start with air. Now, can you recall the 5 layers of atmosphere? So, the layers of atmosphere are named as troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, and exosphere. So, the percentage of troposphere layer in the atmosphere is 80%, while stratosphere is 19%. And the other layers, that is mesosphere, exosphere and ionosphere, comprises of 1%. The air in the atmosphere contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and inert gases like nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor and dust particle. The figure here shows the different percentages of gases present in the air. So, from the figure, we can understand the proportion of gases in the air. If you will look, nitrogen is 78%, which is the largest. Then comes oxygen, which is around 21%. Next is carbon dioxide, which is 0.03%. And then we have the other gases, which is 0.17%. The other gases include the inert gases, the water vapor, dust particle. These all comprise of 0.17% of all the air. So, you can see that air is a mixture of several gases. So, children, we just learned that air is a mixture of several gases. So now let's see why these gases are so important, or what are the uses of these gases. So the first one is nitrogen. Well, nitrogen helps to build proteins in living organism, in production of ammonia, airtight packaging of foodstuff. You must have seen those wafers and biscuit packets that we get. So nitrogen gas is used in the packing of these stuff. It is used in making fertilizers, nylon, dyes, and explosive. The second gas is oxygen. Oxygen is used for respiration and also in combustion. Now, what is combustion? Combustion is the burning of a substance. Our third gas is carbon dioxide. Now, plant uses carbon dioxide to produce their own food. Well, they are also used in fire extinguishers. You must have seen fire extinguishers which are placed in major buildings and schools and in restaurants. They have those red color bottles. Those are the fire extinguishers. Even they have carbon dioxide gas. The next gas is argon. Argon gas is used in making electric bulbs. Next is neon. Well, neon gas is used in making decorative lights. We use decorative lights during Diwali and various festivals. Neon gas is also used in making street lights. Another gas is krypton. Now, krypton is used in making fluorescent tubes. The bright flashy light or the bright light that those kind of tubes that we get, those are made from krypton gas. And the next gas is xenon. Well, xenon is used in flash photography. It is which the cameras which have uh, high power cameras, in there the xenon gas is used. So children, now I will show you all some pictures and you have to find the similarities in these pictures. So, what were the similarities in these pictures? All of them showed a large amount of smoke. So there was large amount of emission of smoke through various agencies like the chimneys of the factories, from the vehicles, or from the burning of waste, or even from the firecrackers. So these smoke, it directly mix with the atmosphere and it disturbs the balance of constituents of the air. All the gases which are present in their balanced proportion, it disturbs the proportion. And as the proportion or the balance is disturbed, it is called as air pollution. So now, can you tell what is air pollution? Well, air pollution is a type of environmental pollution that affects the air and is usually caused by smoke or other harmful gases, mainly oxides of carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen. Air pollution is the contamination of air due to the presence or introduction of a substance which has a poisonous effect. Let's learn about the ozone layer that is present in our atmosphere. Now, there is a layer of ozone gas in the lower part of stratosphere. Ozone layer or gas is not directly used by us, but yet it is very important for the survival of living things. Now you will say, if we don't use it, then how is it so important? Well, children, there are ultraviolet rays coming from the sun and are very harmful for living things. Now, what this ozone layer does is it absorbs the UV rays or the ultraviolet rays, and so the ultraviolet rays cannot enter into the earth and life on the earth is protected. The ozone layer acts as a protective layer for the earth. It is like a shell or it acts like an umbrella protecting all the living organisms. The ozone layer is destroyed if chemical gases like carbon tetrachloride or chlorofluorocarbon used in air conditioners and refrigerators mix with the air. If the ozone layer is destroyed, the ultraviolet rays may directly enter into the earth and the survival of living organism will be difficult. Now, to make everyone aware of the importance of ozone, 16th September is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day. So children, just imagine, what if there was no air? How living organism will have survived? Do think about it. So children, now here I have mentioned few questions. What you have to do is read the textbook, go through the topic and find the answers to the following questions. What is air pollution? What are the various constituents of air? What are the uses of gases in air? Why is it said that ozone layer is a protective shell of the earth? What will happen if the number of vehicles and factories in your surrounding increases? Note down your answers to these questions. We will discuss the answers in a separate question and answer video. That time you can cross-check your answers. So children, I hope I was able to make you understand the topic. In the next video, we will be studying about water and land. So, thank you for listening. Until then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.